Let's take a look at CHNT's surge protector today. We'll check its build quality and materials. Since both the module and base are riveted together, we'll just take apart the module. The base is too hard to remove, so I'll keep it as a sample. The rivets are already removed. The left metal part uses a bent design. Not sure why it's designed that way. If you know, let me know in the comments. Its conductivity is worse than the solid piece on the right. Let's test it with a magnet. Yep, it's copper. Now for the chip. Well-known local brand. Big brands trust big suppliers. One small issue though, at peak current, the solder melts and disconnects. The red indicator pops up, but there's no dedicated status window. It would be better if they added a proper status indicator. And finally, as always, let's test the plastic shell. Self-extinguishing after flame removal.